Hi everyone, this is Sneha from thebeautymadness.com, and in this video I'll show you one of the much requested video, like how to lighten your skin naturally. So I'll share with you two remedies today, two face packs that will naturally lighten your skin and will also remove any dark patches or clears out any uneven skin tone. So let's get started. So to prepare the first remedy, you can see this is actually pineapple paste, pineapple juice. So just blend cube pineapple slices into smooth paste. So this is around 2-3 tablespoons of pineapple paste, and then you require is a slice of lemon and then aloe vera gel. That's all. So now we'll mix all these ingredients. So now I'll add the aloe vera gel, that is around 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use the ready-made aloe vera gel, or you can also use the aloe vera gel directly from the leaf. And then I'll squeeze the lemon juice. So now mix all these ingredients. Pack is ready. What you have to do is wipe your skin thoroughly with the cotton soaked in rose water, and then apply a fresh paste of this pack. Let it sit for apply a thick paste and let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then wash off with cool water. Now let me share you the advantage of using this face pack. This pack contains pineapple, then is lemon and aloe vera gel. That all these ingredients are naturally gives a much fairer and a brighter skin tone. So pineapple is rich in vitamin C, and it is also rich in vitamin B1, B6 that gives a healthy skin tone, and it also contains an enzyme known as bromelain that has an antioxidant effect on the skin, that it imparts a clear and luminous skin tone. Now for the second face pack to lighten skin, you require this is 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, fresh tomato, and then is around 2 teaspoons of papaya paste. And this is like rice which I have soaked overnight, and then in the morning I have blended into a smooth paste just by adding little water, so that it gets fermented, and when it ferments it has a natural bleaching effect on your skin. So I'll mix all these ingredients. So I'll mix the papaya paste, and now tomato juice, now combine all these ingredients into a smooth paste. Now once this pack is ready, so you have to do similarly, you have to wipe your skin with rose water and then apply a thick paste. And remember, if you have a dry or sensitive skin, then just add a teaspoon of honey to this pack. Even for the first pack also, just add a tablespoon of honey, and then wash off after 20 minutes with cold water. And let me share you the advantage of using this face pack. This face pack contains tomato juice, and tomato juice is rich in lycopene. It also has a mild bleaching effect on your skin. It lightens facial hair and fades away any skin discoloration and tan from your skin. And papaya is rich in alpha hydroxy acids, papain, and enzyme, and vitamin C that reduces pigmentation, improves the skin texture and color of your skin. And so for best results, you can apply this face pack daily. for up to 2 to 3 days and to get naturally fair and clear skin tone. So these were the 2 remedies to lighten your skin at home naturally. So try this remedy, any one of this remedy, and for up to 2 to 3 days you will naturally get clear and a fairer skin tone. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such videos hit the subscribe button, and if you want to find more natural beauty tips and remedies you can visit my site, and the site link I have given below this video. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.